Hello, my name is Kevin McCowan, and I'm with the American Academy of Spine Physicians. The mission of the American Academy of Spine Physicians, AASP, is to promote excellence in spine care through education, innovation, and collaboration. The American Academy of Spine Physicians, AASP, and the Foundation for Chiropractic Progress, F4CP, a not-for-profit organization, have partnered on an initiative to enhance the role and recognition of doctors of chiropractic in spine care. All members of the F4CP are eligible to become free directory members with the Academy. If you have received a user ID and PIN number from the Academy, you are a directory member. As a directory member, you have joined leaders in the field dedicated to shaping the future of spine care. This is reflected by the members of the Academy Council and the caliber of the AASP scientific consultants. We encourage you to visit the homepage of the Academy, located at www.spinephysicians.org. On the homepage, there are many useful tools and resources. On the navigation bar, there are numerous pull-down menus. To access resources on your personalized member dashboard, log in here with your user ID and PIN number. I have signed into the member dashboard of Dr. Sherry McAllister, the Executive Vice President of the F4CP. On your member dashboard, there will be a button titled F4CP Members. Click on the button to access the free resources you are entitled to as a directory member. There's a directory profile in which you can update. You can add your facility profile. There are spine care information strip forms that can be printed off locally and disseminated to your patients. There's a subset of brochures from the Academy Library, and there are also network service instructions. One important free benefit is the Inform a Colleague feature. With a linked library, which you can use to develop multidisciplinary referral network. This tool can be used with Spine Care 360, a network building resource which you also have access to. Another important free benefit is the full-page profile listed in the online directory of the International Spine Care Professionals, the official online directory of the ASP. Your profile has already been populated with information by the F4CP. Please review your current profile status, update all your information, and complete the directory profile fields to enhance public search accuracy and to increase your professional visibility. Here are Dr. McAllister's profile fields. There's a professional introduction, practice emphasis and specialization, practice type and location, education and training, credentials and certification, appointments and positions, languages spoken, contact information. If you have achieved diplomate or fellow status through the ASP, your status will be listed here as well. Now, let's go back to the member dashboard. The ASP offers its members numerous online resources to help them serve their patients, develop practice, and cultivate multidisciplinary relationships. The ASP recognizes the importance of continuing education, credentialing, certification opportunities as a fundamental requirement for those dedicated to excellence and cooperative spine care. The Academy offers all directory members the opportunity to upgrade to full member status for the first year of membership at approximately 50% off. For $150, you have an unprecedented opportunity to become a full AASP member for 1 year. Full member status with the Academy gives you access to all member benefits as well as a special public relations toolkit available to dual members of the AASP and the F4CP. Click here to learn more. There are 2 brochures, one titled Primary Spine Care, the other Cooperative Spine Care. There's a PowerPoint slide presentation, one in a light color, one in a dark color, over 75 slides that you can educate your patients with. There's an infographic that can be printed off. There's a personalized press release, and there's also an action guide to help you use the toolkit resources. We encourage you to complete your online directory profile, access your free resources, and upgrade to full AASP member status. Visit our website at www.spinephysicians.org or email us with your questions at aasp@spinephysicians.org. Take advantage of your free directory member benefits now and consider upgrading to full member status in the near future. Thank you.